Okay, skip this section. Okay, so we don't have to do anything to that fan. Okay, there's that mesh, there's that mesh
Vent
filter.
Yeah.
There's no instructions on where that goes.
Why is it correct?
Underneath it. Okay.
Let me see this.
It's underneath.
Okay.
Okay. So that goes. So basically,
put that back
all
on.
we have to do is take the box out, take it out, and
Underneath your clothes.
put it back up there.
Ryan,
I
do
should
it.
have put this one back.
Ava!
Put it down the stairs. Let it roll down the stairs.
I should have put this one back in the box and returned it instead. I just got this. It didn't work.
That's what we thought about doing with my pillow. Putting my old pillow in there. Alright, push it down the stairs.
I don't want to hit it.
I wanted Ava to pull it. It's right on the edge. It's teetering. Get everything to pull it. Make sure it's clear.
It's clear. Throw it over the fence.
No, you gotta give it some muscle when you're gonna.
Yeah, no, I want you to fling it like a frisbee. Throw it this way, into the ground.
Well, where?
Just throw it right here hard.
Okay, right there.
Yeah, just slam it.
It's coming apart.
Slam it. Where's the mic?
I'm ready. Always ready. Ready?
Oh, yeah, it's heavier than.
Oh, I gotta get closer. I'm scared. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, give me that little.
Ready?
You gotta do like catch it like you
Yep,
said.
I got it.
Like you gotta bring it.
Say it with your chest.
Get your ass.
Oh, you can throw it farther. Just throw it like that. Yeah, there you go.
You gotta get your arm.
Get ready to catch it.
It won't break as long as you